Here we are with the Raw Mer tops. New to Modshoes, these lovely tops are from France, hence the name French, obviously. They've been making tops since 1946, and they're a family-owned business, which, well, bodes well with Modshoes and 66 Clothing. As you can see, there's 3 different designs here that we've got in initially. It's a classic Breton sort of looking top. I'm going to go, the reason I want to do this video though, is I'm going to go to the close-up and show you the quality of the material. Now, I might have to step forward to see how, if we can get that in there. It's 100% cotton, but it's really heavy. I hope I'm not moving that too much. But when you weigh it, I'll come back out and go onto camera 1. You can feel that it's a weighty item. So this isn't like a t-shirt, this is like a top. You see this kind of thing, you know, this sort of stripe thing, and you can get it in t-shirts and you can get it in, you know, just kind of tops. But this is really nice. It's hard to explain, but let me see if I can do that, and you'll see that it's a quality item. It's not, I don't want to say what it's not, but you can imagine. Anyway, so that comes in the blue and the white. It also comes in the blue and the cream, which you can see there, which is the navy and the cream. And then lastly, we've got this jumper. The jumper's got the classic, let me go to the close-up, see if it'll focus. It's going to take a second. There we go. It's got the buttons on the collar there, and it's got the Raw Mer logo. Again, this jumper is very heavy. It's nautical, you know, it's like a nautical jumper. And I believe in France, these are more for people who frequent boats or go out on the river and all this sort of stuff. So, but nevertheless, lovely jumper. Really, again, really heavy. The quality is amazing. So anyway, that's the Raw Mer, and they're on the website now.